Ogogo is dead, but his legacy should be kept alive. Ogogo was a complete gentleman, a man of impeccable character. He's a man of people. It's evident when he was sick. Even people unknown to us were busy praying for him for speedy recovery, but unfortunately we lost him. So may his soul rest in peace.
As a brother, you know, I have so many things I can say about him, but he's very humble, very nice. He's so nice to everybody that we will really miss him.